Unboxing video from the shop of Dear Carrots by Sunshine. Umorder ako ng 18K Piao, what is it? Sunstone bracelet. So, yan. So, I have this free cat sticker. And then, ito yung box niya. Ang cute. Very white. With hearts. So, yan. 18K Piao with sunstone beads. So, yan siya. 6.5 ang size. So, yan siya. So, thank you guys for watching my unboxing. Ang cute ng dragon. Super liit.